A business conference was hosted by MLGW to address poverty throughout the Mid-South. The purpose of the conference was a way to outreach to the community with helpful and resourceful information. Topics range from connecting with health care, children, violence, and mainly the cost of living. One of the factors in poverty which some Memphians face is health care. According to national statistics, 16% of local residents lack health insurance, compared to the national rate of 22.3%. Overall, the poverty rate has risen by 18.8% since September 2008.
There are lots of avenues available for health care, especially for those who live in poverty. Many of the services are based on a sliding scale. Even the pharmaceuticals are based on a sliding scale.
The 2010 census figures revealed that 1 in 4 Memphians live under the national poverty line. This makes finding access to affordable health care a major challenge.
My workshop was about childhood exposure to violence and the impact of poverty when we start to look at children that are living in violent homes.
Lamar Owen, the Memphis Health Center, and the Regional Medical all offer affordable and quality health services. Patients of teen care, Medicare, and private insurance are welcome. This is Renika Toller, Downtown Memphis, Insight News.